Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Fort Knox Company, and recently we took the kids to Staheli Farms in Washington, Utah. It's right by St. George, Utah. It's an amazing place. It has tons of stuff to do. I'll show you guys a video of everything we did, and I know I missed some things, but I'll put the address and their website link in the description there so you guys can take your family out. Right now it's the very beginning of October, and they just started all their October or Halloween decorations and festivities there. They have hot air balloon events. They have stuff all throughout the year. Hey, and I'll show you guys everything that we experienced there. It was fun. There's an admission fee. There are some things for the kids to do that you can buy tokens for, and it's very reasonably priced, like a couple dollars. And there's a lot of stuff that's just all included, and that's what we love about it. We might even consider getting a season pass there now because it's a couple-hour drive from southern Las Vegas, and it's not too bad, and it's very, very well worth it. I believe the kids are gonna have fun there for the next coming years because we're gonna keep going out there now. There's another place out here in Logandale, which is a little bit closer, but I think we might drive out to Staheli Farms now instead. They also have a big zombie nighttime event too, if you're into the haunted houses and the spooky stuff. So at sundown they do that, but from about noon on every day throughout the week, they're open to the public, and they have food and snacks and all these kinds of stuff. So let me show you guys the video. There's everything in there. Enjoy. Going. More. Pull trigger. Is that fun or what?
Now I'm living redneck life. Why does that?
That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. One of the biggest things that we love about it is that there was so much stuff that was just included there that you could walk around and just play. We've been to other places for the kids and they have these events, and it seems like everywhere you turn you have to pay $2 for basketball or $1 for this, or it just, you know, they're charging you for everything. And here there was just tons of activities inside the farm just included, just to play and enjoy. So that's what we love about it. There's lots of families there, lots of kids there. Everybody was having fun. The kids, it was hard to get them to leave, but that's probably why we're gonna keep going back. You know, like I said, the value for it is there. So if you guys are wondering what's there and you didn't know, hope you guys enjoyed the video and we kind of showed you a little bit around. But like I said, I know we missed some stuff because the place is huge, and we didn't get it all on film because we're just playing with the kids. So if you guys have any questions for me, put them in the comments there. If you haven't already, hit like and subscribe. I'll show you guys all the places that we take the kids so you can go too. And until then, I'll see you on the next build.